Welcome back to Auto Nova, your ultimate destination for the most iconic cars in the world. Oncoming automobile sparkles. Today, we bring you a timeless piece of American automotive history, the 1948 Buick Super in pure white, a car that defined luxury and elegance in the post-war era. Get ready for a full walk-around in stunning 16K Ultra HD, where we explore every detail: front, left, right, engine, interior, back, top, and of course, the cinematic outro. Let's begin the journey. Front view. Here at the front, the 1948 Buick Super commands attention with its massive chrome grille, wide stance, and round vintage headlights that give it a bold yet elegant presence. The pure white paintwork highlights every curve of the front fascia, making this classic look both refined and timeless. Buick's iconic hood ornament sits proudly on top, symbolizing prestige and class from a golden age of motoring. Left side view. Moving to the left side, you can truly appreciate the flowing body lines of the Buick Super. The streamlined fenders, curvy body panels, and elegant white wall tires wrapped around steel wheels with chrome hubcaps perfectly showcase the craftsmanship of late 1940s design. This was not just a car, it was a statement of success and sophistication. Right side view. On the right side, the design symmetry continues, with every detail echoing Buick's dedication to quality. The chrome accents along the body add shine and richness to the pure white paint, while the long, low stance reflects the aerodynamic styling cues of its era. This angle truly reveals how wide and luxurious this sedan really is. Engine view. Now, let's take a look under the hood. Powering the 1948 Buick Super is the legendary Fireball straight-8 engine, a smooth and reliable powerhouse of its time. With polished steel and chrome detailing, this engine bay is a glimpse into the engineering brilliance of Buick's post-war lineup. It wasn't just about looks, this engine provided the strength and dependability that made Buick a household name in America. Interior view. Step inside, and you are transported back in time. The classic dashboard features vintage gauges, chrome accents, and a beautifully crafted steering wheel that carries Buick's luxury DNA. Plush fabric seats and spacious legroom remind us that comfort was always a priority for Buick owners. Every switch, dial, and trim piece tells the story of American luxury motoring at its finest. Back view. At the rear, the Buick Super keeps its elegance alive with rounded taillights, a wide chrome bumper, and a design that feels both powerful and graceful. The pure white paint continues to shine under the showroom lights, while the Buick badge proudly stands as a reminder of heritage and prestige. Top view. From the top angle, the smooth roofline and rounded bodywork become even more striking. The proportions are perfectly balanced, giving the car a stately, commanding presence. Every curve flows seamlessly, making this Buick a rolling piece of art. Outro, cinematic showcase. And now, for the cinematic outro. As we circle around this 1948 Buick Super in pure white, the soft showroom lights reflect off its flawless body, creating a vision of elegance that stands the test of time. More than 7 decades later, this car remains a symbol of American craftsmanship, style, and luxury. This was the 1948 Buick Super Pure White Edition, proudly presented by Auto Nova. If you enjoyed this walk around, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible showcases of classic, modern, and futuristic vehicles from around the world.